Hello! I made this super easy and delicious vegan chocolate ice cream. We need ice cream, especially in this summer season, right? So let's get into the recipe. We are starting with peeling cooked sweet potato. Add into the food processor. Next, we are adding silken tofu. Tofu gives smooth texture and also it's a good way to get your protein. Then simply add rest of the ingredients to the processor. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. Transfer the mixture into a container. Place it in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. Scoop it with an ice cream spoon and enjoy!